Okay, welcome everyone to our sixth form assembly. During this assembly, I want to talk about upcoming opportunities and make you aware of important deadlines. Just to remind everyone that the Year 13 UCAS deadline, which was extended from the 15th of January, is now the 29th of January. So this is tomorrow. So it's really important, if you're a Year 13 student, that you're aware of this deadline. We've sent off around about 110 applications. So most students have got their forms sent off. If you are a student thinking of UCAS, remember it takes several days to produce a personal statement. Most people take several drafts to do this. It takes several days to process the application. So it is unlikely you would meet this deadline if you contacted your form tutor, myself, or your referee. However, if you send your application after this deadline, there is a good chance it will be considered by universities. However, they do not have to consider it. Most universities have been contacting us and said they will consider applications after this deadline, but it depends on the availability of specific courses. Now, I also want to remind Year 13 students that Student Finance Wales have produced this excellent video that I put on our YouTube channel. It talks you through every aspect of applying for student finance. And we will also be putting on an evening where we'll go through this process with you with one of the universities, because they'll also be able to talk about how you apply for scholarships. Now, if you're a SERIN student, the deadline for applying for the Jesus College Residential Summer School and the International Summer School, which is online, is the 29th of January. So please make sure you make this deadline. These are excellent opportunities. Remember, there are 75 places for the residential opportunity and 300 places available for the International Summer School, which is online, but has world-leading academics from MIT, Yale, Oxford and Cambridge all taking part. Now, I also want to remind everyone of the Swansea University webinars. Now, I've sent out an email with them all listed. Here's an example of one. It's an economics webinar, which is taking place on Friday. And it's all about the economics behind educational decisions. So it's really topical. So please make every effort to attend this if you're interested in economics. We also have our own RADA webinars taking place. So next week we have a fantastic webinar from Karen Lucas, who's from the University of Manchester. She's a former student at RADA and she's now a professor of geography. And she's going to talk to you about geography careers and courses and give you a taster lecture. We also have on the 8th of February a fantastic lecture from the Swansea University Human Health and Science Department. So the University College of Human Health Science will be talking you through different careers that are associated with healthcare, and then also giving you a lecture on sleep and the effect on physical and mental health. So this is a great opportunity if you're interested in medicine, healthcare, biology, sciences, psychology, sport, PE, etc. Please make every effort to attend this. We also have history masterclasses taking place, and this will take place on Thursday, the 11th of February. And we're really lucky to have two lecturers from the School of History at Swansea University giving you masterclasses on topics related to your course. So if you're a Year 12 or Year 13 student, please make every effort to attend this. If you're a student who is interested in history and perhaps doesn't study it but wants to study it at university, please make every effort to attend this as well. Now, we also have a careers talk from the Welsh Ambulance Service taking place on the 2nd of March, and they'll be talking about all the different careers associated with the Welsh Ambulance Service, and they'll also be looking in detail at the role of a paramedic. Now, I also want to make you aware of some really useful careers fairs. On the 10th of February, there is a virtual careers fair, and it's called Meet the Russell Group. So it's an opportunity for you to attend talks from the 24 Russell Group universities, and you will get lots of information about the courses and the universities themselves. Now, if you're thinking about applying for Oxford and Cambridge, please do not miss out on their student conferences. This is the only event that they hold, which is a joint conference where people from the admission teams at Oxford and Cambridge will be putting on specific talks to help you with every aspect of your application. Do not miss this talk. Please check your emails and book this. It will be an excellent day, and they are a series of days that take place between the 15th and the 26th of March. Now, if you are thinking of applying for law, Corpus Christi at Oxford have a law residential course, and they also have lots and lots of competitions as well, so please check your emails for this. Remember that What Careers Live is an online careers event, and this takes place on the 19th and the 20th of March. We normally attend the event in person. Last year we took a trip to the NEC, and it's an excellent event because you get to meet employers from across the UK as well as leading universities. It's one of the few events that is joint. It's 50-50 between employers and universities, and it's an excellent event, so please check out your emails for that. Now, if you're thinking of work experience and you're a year 12 student, we have a number of programs that are taking place. PwC, which is one of the biggest companies in the world, have a virtual summer program, and they have an event on the 1st of February which talks you through every aspect of this. It'll talk you through how to apply and the different opportunities they have. So please check your emails and consider attending that event on the 1st of February. HSBC also have a fantastic work experience program, which is a week long, and the application date for applying is the 21st of Feb. So if you're a year 12 student or even a year 13 student, this would be an excellent opportunity. We also have a virtual work experience event, which is being organised by young professionals, and this is in February half term, and it is a 3-day event, and the event will be in conjunction with IBM, HSBC, PwC, Marks and Spencer's, Vodafone, Capgemini and GSK and leading employers, and it will help you with producing a CV. It will be full of workshops and exercises that will really enhance any application to employers or even universities. If you're not sure whether you want to apply for university or employment, please check out this opportunity. It's an excellent opportunity. Now, BT are also having a virtual event which is going to talk you through the different apprenticeships and school leavers programs that they offer. So please check this out. They have specific opportunities for people interested in IT and cybersecurity, but also things from engineering, business, customer service, etc. So there's a whole range of opportunities. This would be ideal for someone in year 13 or year 12 because you want to be able to check out the different opportunities that are available. Now, I want to highlight some of the apprenticeships and school leavers programs that are out there at the moment. Now, year 13 students will be thinking of applying for these. This is the sort of time where they start advertising for a September start. KPMG is a large company in the financial and auditing sector. They have an apprenticeship program which has entry requirements. You need 5 GCSEs graded A star to C and a minimum of 112 UCAS points. Now remember, it's 40 UCAS points for a B. So this is around about 2 Bs and a C in terms of what you would need to be accessible for this. So it's a 5-year program, and you will end up with the equivalent of a degree after you complete the program. So this is an opportunity to earn while you learn, and many people will be attracted to the prospect of that. Now, RSM are another big company that offer apprenticeships and school leavers programs. Again, it's 112 UCAS points, 2 Bs and a C for this, and they're based in Bristol for this opportunity. So this is just one example of an opportunity available. If you check out the RSM website, you'll find a whole range of opportunities. Now, GSK, one of the biggest companies in the world, are offering apprenticeships in chemical engineering and data science and supply chain apprenticeships. Now, these are degree apprenticeships, so they're in conjunction with universities. You will get paid and you will obtain a degree, and your degree is paid for. They also have higher level apprenticeships, which is equivalent to the 6th form qualifications that you study in the moment. And these are also a very good opportunity to get your foot in the door in a company like this. And they offer finance, engineering, lab science, pharmaceutical apprenticeships, all sorts of apprenticeships for you to apply for. Now, another company that you might not be aware of is Mace, and they're based in Bristol, and they're offering project management degree apprenticeships. So again, it's a local opportunity where you would spend 5 years working for this company and you would leave with a degree at the end of it. So the final thing I want to mention is our sixth form council meeting, which takes place this week, Thursday the 28th of Jan at 4 p.m. on Teams. Now, if you're a form rep or member of our sixth form senior team, head boy, girl, deputies, etc., please make every effort to attend. The link has been emailed out to all students, and I look forward to seeing everyone at 4 p.m. Hope everyone enjoys the rest of the week, and please get in touch with me or your form tutors or any member of the sixth form team if you have any issues, and we'll do our best to solve them.